Alrighty guys, YCG back with another video. Here we are with Kate and CJ HQ. Oh, of course you want that big BB. What we be reacting to video. Tough guy thinks he's above the tough guy thinks law doesn't apply to him. The original video is gonna be in the top comment section, I mean the top of the description. Get right on into it.
Let's go.
Alright, let's get it, boys.
Why are you over here whipping this around and squealing your tires in the parking lot? I was right outside and I saw you whip around the corner.
Is that illegal? I was waiting for him to come outside.
To squeal,
They're not going to leave me outside.
to squeal your wheels and whip around like that in the parking lot?
Yeah, I was going to leave him outside. He's not ready to go outside.
Yeah, it's reckless driving because you could wreck
That's
your
not
car or you
regular
could hit
driving.
somebody else's.
That's not regular driving.
Do you have your
10
license
miles an
on you?
hour, it's not regular
Do you have your
driving.
license on you?
No, sir, I'm not going to use
You're not gonna give me-
See,
regular
smarty.
Go to your
Extra Trailer 11, go ahead and send me another unit, please.
Yeah. You're doing bullshit work. My body's inside. He's in trouble.
I know, you're the gentleman that I just dealt with.
Yeah. You put him out of the room for no reason at all. Take your lighter from me.
Okay. I'm gonna take my light off you right now. I'm in the middle of an investigation in a dark truck. So,
This is a dirt truck?
yeah, it is dark.
Cash? That's his name, Cash?
Gash.
Cash.
Yep, Deputy Gash. Collar County Sheriff's
Hey,
Office.
listen, let's end this early. Call it a night. Leave me alone. Let me take care of my body.
Okay, I'm gonna do my job. So,
You do your I do mine. If I call my lawyers, you will end up worse.
I'm gonna end up with
You, you start this you end up worse if I call my lawyers.
well,
Let's see, let's figure it out.
Let's look threatening.
I'm not taking the light off you.
Yeah.
You don't have no reason to be lighting me up.
Yeah, I
I'm in
do.
a private parking lot. I'm not even driving. And the keys are off the vehicle.
Yeah, because you just pulled them out.
Learn where you at. With the wrong man.
I have somebody on the way.
Good deal.
So you're gonna give me your license or not?
I'm not going to give you license.
You're not gonna give me your license?
No, sir.
Okay. Right now I'm ordering you to give me your license.
I'm not. I'm parked. I'm
Okay.
People be so
Hey.
wild.
I know,
Step over
man.
here.
Why is it so damn hard to just follow directions?
Step over here.
Making nothing out of something.
Hey,
I know, for real, bro. Could
you
have
cannot
just like
leave.
got off with a warning.
Stand over here right now.
Or like a ticket or some
Okay,
stupid
I'm
shit.
stopping out with you for improper start of the vehicle.
Respect for me, some
Okay.
shit. Motherfucker, respect for me, some shit. If I knock out of you.
Step over here.
Listen, you. Respect.
Okay, step over here. Give us
Go ahead,
Charlie
touch
11.
me. Go ahead,
Hey,
touch me.
yeah,
gonna
step
get-
Go
over
ahead,
here.
touch me. You're gonna touch me, man. What's wrong with you?
Now you got that, Elio.
No, you. You touch me first. What's wrong with you,
Get on the
man?
ground.
You
Get
can't
on the
touch me
ground.
like that.
Get on the
You
ground.
do shit, I'm gonna charge you.
Get on the
Ben
ground.
Jerry's gonna
Yep,
fucking
improper start.
I'm gonna go
I
to the
just
truck.
gave you a lawful order.
Get out like go. Get out like go. Go ahead,
18 now. 18 now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get out like go.
Get on the ground.
Hey, record.
Get on the ground.
Get
on the ground.
You hit me with the taser.
Get on the ground or I'm going to tase you.
I got shot.
Get on the ground or I'm going to tase you.
I got heart problems. I got heart problems.
This will not cause you heart problems. Get on the ground or I'm going to tase you.
Why you test me?
Get on the ground
There's
or I'm
no
going to
reason at
tase
all.
you.
No reason at all. I'll
Get
go
on
to
the
my
ground.
job.
Wild, bro. Why is it so
Get on
hard
the ground or I'm
to
going to tase
listen?
you.
Bro's like got the
Get on the
flashlight
ground.
and everything.
I'm not gonna get on the
Get on
ground.
the ground.
I'm gonna go to the ground.
Get on the ground.
You taste me, I'm gonna go to the
Get on
I'm
the
gonna
ground.
charge you because I will go into hot
Get on the
seat.
ground.
I will go into my charge.
Get on the
Chase the
ground.
trunk.
I'm gonna go into
You're
my
not going back in the truck.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to tase you. Get on the ground.
Don't taste me.
Taser, taser, taser.
Oh.
Bro fucking caught that shit.
See this thing, Charlie 11. He's barricading himself in the truck.
Stop! Stop now! Do not move! Do not move!
Bro's gonna hit the cop car.
Yep, hit it.
Signal for my vehicle.
That's causing an accident and fucking
Yeah, homie's so dumb.
resisting arrest, not giving ID. Fucking
Believe we got him stopped right now. He's cornered in.
Get out of the car now! Step out of the vehicle!
They're all being nice
Get out of
using
the vehicle
tasers
now!
instead of fucking guns.
Literally, bro.
Get out of the vehicle!
Still refusing to get out of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle!
You were just dumb.
I know.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
He's all walking out with his phone.
Get on the ground!
Taser.
Oh, I think he's sexist, bro.
I think it's because she's
You
Hispanic.
heard you in the back of our car right now.
Just pat him down for
Not
Right here.
fucking.
Get down for what? Can I give my phone to my
Like a
buddy?
woman cuffing me. That's hot.
Spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it.
Walk.
I like it.
Come here.
Run my name real quick.
We're gonna do that. Hold on.
You wouldn't give me your ID, so I can't.
No, I can't give you my ID.
Put your head.
You overreacted.
Put your foot in.
I can't.
Put your foot in.
I can't. Look at this. I can't. Help me. Help me bring my foot in. Thank you. Bring it down. Okay.
Ooh, he is tall.
Is he a witness?
That's his buddy.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just waiting on Sarge to get here so I can explain to him what's up.
Sounds like a real piece of stuff.
Well, he's the guy that I called for a 43 on earlier because he refused to leave, and then he, yeah. So. Yeah, there's one right there.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, okay.
Under your belly. Okay, so we have to call EMS when you come out, okay?
All right, we're gonna have the EMS check you out, okay, man?
EMS check you out, okay?
No, I'm fine.
I know, but they have to take that out.
we have to have.
You let me walk out because I get cramps. Can you let me walk out because I get cramps? You just kiss my height, please.
Okay, if you want to stand here with him, then he can stick his feet out.
Come on.
No, you gotta help me out. You gotta help me.
He's like, fuck you, I ain't helping you, bitch.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna tell you. Go ahead and turn around. You're being placed under arrest right now for bat LEO, resisting with violence, and obstruction. Okay. Yep. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me, anything illegal? Okay.
Now he's all nice that everyone else is here.
I know.
Remember when you hit my arm and I told you?
I hit your arm?
Yeah. It's all on camera, man.
We look like he's at home from Roots and all you arrested me. You kidding me or what?
I didn't leave your kids at home.
Yeah, for coming and help somebody on their house.
I just explained to you why you're under arrest.
No, man.
Alright, this deputy's gonna take you.
Alright, there's
Or
nothing
could
in there?
have got charged with hit and run too, but
You guys are doing wrong.
Here, put your hands behind there.
Help me with the knee.
Just
Help me with the knee.
here, put the hands better, and then I'll help you with your leg. Is it better like that sideways?
No, it's not better. It's a pain.
For your pain.
Raul was charged with battery on Elio, resisting without violence, resisting with violence, and criminal mischief. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Why are you doing a burnout right next to us?
Burnout.
You did. I
Oh,
just followed
shit.
You did a burnout.
Burnout.
You did, man.
So what's the issue?
A6, he looks like he 1050 into the building here.
Hey, why don't you stay right there? Turn around. Turn around. Hands behind
Turn
your back.
around for what?
Turn around. Hands behind. Turn around. Hands behind.
Hey, knock it off.
no, I never got that. Like doing dumb shit like on public streets.
Yeah, literally, bro.
Crime because you get a burnout.
So how is y'all so aggressive for right now? Because you're not listening. I might be hurting. How the is y'all being rude like that?
I might be hurting.
When you're not listening. Here, walk this way, Paul.
I'm here with you.
Okay, so
You don't gotta treat me like that, bro. I'm in custody. I'm in cuffs.
You don't have to treat us
I'm-
like that.
I'm in
We're
cuffs.
sitting there
I'm
working
in
a car
cuffs, bro.
accident,
I'm
and
in-
then you go peeling out doing a burnout and then
I
take off
didn't.
from us.
You was never behind me.
We absolutely were
You was
behind
never behind me.
Okay, walk this way. Come on,
I'm,
walk this
I'm
way.
right here.
Face the car.
What are you?
I'm telling you to face the car.
Okay, so what are you talking to me about? What you talking about?
Face the car.
So for what?
So I can pat you down.
You can pat me down.
Okay, so
Pat me down.
Okay, widen your stance.
What are you waiting on?
Why are you so?
You know, I've actually been patted down by police before.
Stop being
Really?
swirly.
Oh,
Just stand
Yeah,
up.
if you want to pause it. Okay, so basically, it was when I had my eclipse years ago, and I'm not going to say locations, obviously, because we're recording. But basically, I was in town, and I was driving around, and this was, I forget, it was like some bullshit reason, like they were just bored. And like, this was like before I never had my fucking wallet on me, because like, I didn't care. And basically, since they couldn't fucking, like, I didn't have an ID to give them, they were like, hey, so like, just so like, we know who you are, we first gotta handcuff you, then we'll fucking like run your name, make sure you don't have any arrest warrants, blah blah blah, just talking to the cops. And then they were like, we're gonna pat you down, said the same shit. And then it was when I used to have a box mod, and I was like 17, 18.
Oh my.
But they didn't give a fuck. They were like, okay. Yeah. And, well, I've also had an interaction with cops where I was almost shot, so. Yeah, I know. But let's go back.
Relax, buddy.
Stand there. Because you're in my pocket for? Because I'm making sure you don't have you on you.
You shaking my ass cheeks? I have nothing.
This is policy. You're under arrest. We have to search you instant arrest.
Check my ass cheeks.
Dude, if I ever get pulled over on a bike, that's what I'm gonna say.
Shaking my ass cheeks.
What the f is wrong with that?
Okay.
What the f you steady looking for?
Back in the car.
Hey, cuz.
Have a seat. Do not touch the car.
Why the f you trying to
Because
control?
you're not sitting down. Because I am in control. You're not in control to stop.
But I'm trying to just ask you something, my brother. I'm not trying to be. Can I?
Yes, sit down in the car and then we'll talk.
I get your.
He's definitely
Sit down in the car and then
intoxicated
we'll talk.
or something.
Yeah, it has to be.
There you go. Swing your legs in.
Tired.
I'm swing. Okay, bro.
Perfect.
Y'all finna arrest me,
Right.
and I'm Jackson.
Okay. Hang tight.
What officers don't know is that the suspect's mom is about to show up.
We were following him, trying to catch up to him because he was flying away from us.
He didn't hit any of your guys' cars, did he? I think he just hit the side of this brick here. How y'all doing tonight? Happy New Year.
Thank you. Ooh.
A60 code 30 is kicking his head off the side of the car.
Trying to kick out the window.
Hey, guys!
Why are you kicking out the window? Hey, get back in vehicle.
Oh, what?
Hey, do you want to get taken?
Bro, what the fuck is the switch up?
Guys, on some shit.
You gonna take me for? I'm in the back seat. Hey,
I'm not trying to kick out our window.
What did you grab me for?
Because you're kicking out our
Now
window.
get the f on me.
No.
Get the what are you gonna take me for? What?
Stop kicking and bouncing around.
I'm not kicking nobody.
You have footprints on that window.
That was
Knock it off.
All right, now you shut your ass up.
What's your problem?
Ain't no problem.
Stop kicking.
Yeah, you just don't scare me.
Stop.
Oh my god, it's like a disobedient child.
Literally.
Your ass don't scare me. Now get the out my face.
It's all right.
You's a coward.
It's okay. I don't care.
I smacked out your ass.
Well, unfortunately, that's how you end up in this. You're gonna be going to jail.
All right,
I don't know why you're still acting like this.
I got bond money.
Okay. Start on tow and everything else. He's gonna work on charges. And...
Hey, this is his mom pulling up, by the way.
How you doing tonight? Hey, how y'all doing?
What's going on, ma'am?
This is my son y'all got in here.
Okay.
What's going on?
Well, he's under arrest for reckless driving,
Quiet out.
resisting arrest, and
What did y'all stop him for?
what do you mean stop him? He hit that building.
Quiet out.
After he did a burnout right next to us as we were working a
Quit
traffic
kicking
stop.
that damn window, boy. They got your ass arrested. Stop open. I ain't opening no damn door.
Go ahead and get photos.
All you busted down when ain't nobody got no money to pay for this ass.
Yeah.
Well, you need to stop doing what you're doing.
He kicks it out and he gets another charge.
Okay.
It's a felony.
Okay.
You have this baby in that car?
There's no baby in that car, right? No.
Imagine.
That'd be crazy.
Make your lips red. You some
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, you was born.
Okay.
You was born a coward.
Okay.
Are we gonna hold him down? What are we doing?
Yeah, just
All y'all straight.
back up.
Or where?
Back up.
All y'all straight. You already searched me, dude.
Because I'm getting your wallet out.
I ain't got no wallet.
You had one in your pocket.
I ain't never had one in my life carried a wallet. Get your ass on my face.
Nah.
I ain't spinning. Get your ass
Do
on me.
not go in his face.
You're a straight coward. Get the f off me.
Stop. Elbow.
What you talking about? Stop. What are you doing? Stop.
Bro, the mom's even being like, just fucking listen.
Really.
He won't talk to anybody. It doesn't matter black or white. I got 12 dollars, right? He is acting up. He's doing this. Okay. If he listens, we get the wallet. We're done. Let me get the wallet. Get your ass on. Bro, stop, man. Stop. What are you doing, bro? Get out my face. Just sit down. Stop.
Oh
Sit down.
shit.
They're tired of him, bro.
Knock it off. Are you tough now? Put your feet in. I don't got a thing for the. I don't give what the you think. Okay. I ain't there.
No wallet? We good? No wallet.
Yeah, you let the cow. We're good. Hello. Stop! You got a lag restraint, sir?
What is this?
Holds his legs together so he can't kick our window.
Now you doing too much.
That's not what you gonna do for me.
All this is on body camera. Sit back in the car. Sit back in the car.
Or what? Or what?
Bro sounds like he's about to cry.
I know.
I know. What the you gonna do? He gonna grab me from the back and what y'all gonna call y'all
Kicking the window.
So what they do something hurt. What you gonna do? Claudel. Wait. See ass gonna grab me from the back?
And we're gonna put those on your legs.
All right, what's going?
Okay. All right. We can't drive the car. You kicking our window.
we won't put these
We don't have to put these on you.
We're only doing this because you're kicking the windows.
Claudel, what is that?
I want all y'all to get the out my face.
If it comes down, you don't have to put them on.
Damn, letting his mom like fucking hug.
Cool,
W
that's the
cops.
police. You know how they Don't do that. It's not the time. You got kids. Come on.
So
Do what you gotta do. You got kids.
So what the are you trying to
What
say?
y'all trying to do to him? He going to jail?
Yes. I've been under arrest. Get your
Chill out, man.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, man.
You know, okay, I'm
going to kick the window.
All right, look, come on. All right. Okay.
Put your feet in.
Brother.
Help him in. Help him in because he can't get in now.
Mom.
What?
We were over here for a hit and run. He came up right behind us while we were on the scene for the hit and run on A Street. Did a burnout, so we turned around and crashed in that building.
Won't you listen, Claudel?
Man, we gotta go, please. Sorry, we
Gotta get him out of here.
That's all y'all care about.
Dude, all you had to do was just chill. What are you talking about?
Hi. What are you doing here?
That's my baby dad.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. I guess they were on a call or something, and he like did a
Spent out in
burnout or
front of
something, and then they were behind him, and that's where he ended up. So yeah, well, it was nice seeing you, but not in this way. So take care. See ya.
Klein was charged with criminal damage to government property, reckless driving, and resisting arrest. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Alright,
I think
guys.
that gave me a headache watching that shit.
Yeah, no, just the guy yelling. If you guys ended up enjoying the video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. This is my reacts playlist, and also YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Peace.